myself Devyani and yet share my experience as a trainee in the full stack developer course offered by EduBridge. From day one, the program was structured to provide hands-on experience and practical skills essential for success in life. The instructor Anjana Sarudhan ma'am was not only knowledgeable but also deeply passionate about the subject matters, which made the teaching quite engaging and not enjoying. Through the combination of lectures, workshops, and projects, I have gained some professional knowledge about the lab programming languages, frameworks, and tools which is required for full stack development course. Moreover, because of the constant support and guidance from the Anjana Sarudhan ma'am, I could freely explore myself and constantly troubleshoot the challenges. Overall, my experience at the EduBridge has made me confident and expertise to pursue a career as a full stack developer.